What is Big Billion?
Welcome to Big Billion Property Sales by M3M and Smart World.
When you say Big Billion, what is the first thing that comes to your mind?
आज क्या बेनिफिट है कि जिसने कमर्शियल आपसे 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल पहले बाय किया था उसको क्या बेनिफिट आज मिल सकता है अगर वो इस इवेंट में
Is when you are buying a M3M property, you are buying an unparalleled location. All our projects.
I have a property of 2 CR in commercial. In how many X I have to multiply investment कितनी करनी पड़ेगी?
जो हमारे pillars of our strength is timely delivery of the product.
क्या ट्रांसफर जब कर रहा हूँ तो उसमें ट्रांसफर चार्जेस लगाओगे?
ये उत्सवों में महाउत्सव है.
रियल एस्टेट में एक नाम जो जोरों से गूंज रहा है, जिसका हर कोई जिक्र कर रहा है. अगर आप इंस्टाग्राम पे स्क्रॉल करते हैं, फेसबुक देखते हैं, व्हाट्सएप, आपके पास कॉल्स भी जरूर आई होंगी. और यही नहीं, न्यूज़पेपर पे फ्रंट पे अगले ऐड भी देखी होगी. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द बिगेस्ट इवेंट ऑफ 2026, बिग बिलियन प्रॉपर्टी शो, जिसके बारे में आज आए हैं हम पूरी क्लैरिटी देंगे. और हमारे साथ जो बैठे हैं, having a rich experience of more than 25 years in the real estate market, जो आज हमें बताएंगे ये बिग बिलियन क्या है और क्या वैल्यू ऐड कर रहा है इस मार्केट के अंदर, उसके बारे में जिक्र करेंगे. बिकॉज एक्सक्लूसिवली पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं इस इवेंट से रिलेटेड. सो नॉट टेकिंग मच टाइम, आई वुड लाइक टू इन्वाइट मिस्टर राजेश कौल, who is a VP Sales in M3M, who will tell us regarding the same.
Thank you, Ankit, for having me here. I think we were looking forward to meet. काफ़ी टाइम पहले हमारा डिस्कशन चला and I think there cannot be a better time and better opportunity than today.
चलो अच्छा है सर, आज मिलने का रीज़न यही था क्योंकि इतना बड़ा इवेंट आया और कैसे मिस करते. सो आज ये पॉडकास्ट मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्योंकि हमने ना बहुत सारे रियल एस्टेट से रिलेटेड भी करे हैं. लास्ट पॉडकास्ट हमारा बहुत अच्छा गया एली साहब से रिलेटेड एंड वी हैव डन गुड नंबर्स. सो बिग बिलियन थोड़ा हटके है क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग हैं मार्केट के अंदर जिनको क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि इतनी सारी स्कीम्स हैं, इतने सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं, क्योंकि इतना बस क्रिएट करा हुआ है आपने रियल एस्टेट में. सो आई रियली वांट टू नो बिग बिलियन, ये नाम कहाँ से आया और क्या है इसके अंदर?
What is Big Billion? When you say Big Billion, what is the first thing that comes to your mind?
सबसे पहले आता है कि बड़ा
Billion.
बिलियन. हाँ,
First, it's billion.
जी.
Big Billion is the biggest property fest that can happen in India. It's the biggest platform.
क्या
in
जैसे हम
India.
जैसे
In
दिवाली
India.
मनाते हैं, क्या रियल एस्टेट में यही फेस्टिवल है जो एक्चुअल मना रहे हैं?
ये उत्सवों में महाउत्सव है.
अच्छा,
When it comes to fest,
ओके,
and it offers wonderful opportunities. The word itself signifies the value proposition, the value billion.
ओके.
So it's, schemes, offers worth billions, which will be given to our customers. It's purely customer centric. And how it evolves, जब Big Billion 1 हमने किया था, I'll tell you the concept. जब Big Billion 1 किया था, it was purely based on sell. कि यार हमें properties बेचनी है.
I was a part of it.
With a value proposition to the customer. So that's how it originally started when we did Big Billion 1. And it was phenomenal. You have witnessed it.
I know.
I mean, it couldn't go crazier than that event that had happened. We had thousands of customers walking in. Okay? And imagine in 2 days, you did a sale, more than 4,000 crore worth sale, which was generated in 2 days. Just imagine the quantum. And just imagine वो customers को कितना बड़ा value proposition मिला होगा.
Right.
Then when we started Big Billion, it started with the concept of sale. But it emerged as a complete portfolio management for the customers.
Right.
Ultimately, it emerged. It landed up as a value proposition to all our customers. So when we started Big Billion 2, Big Billion 1 से जब हम Big Billion 2 में move हुए, so we did 2 things. One is that we are selling and we are buying the properties. We started buying the properties. You know how real estate market works? आज हमारे customers, मैं 2 हिस्सों में इस पूरी conversation को I'll break it into 2 halves. One is for new customers and second is for our existing customers. Existing customers के लिए it was something new. You know, when a customer invests, purpose of investment क्या होता है? Either you are end user
Right.
or you are an investor.
Investor.
Short term investor or long term investor. यही 3 categories होती हैं.
बिल्कुल.
ना तीनों के लिए how was it a beneficial proposition? जिन कस्टमर्स को हमने प्रॉपर्टीज़ बेची उनको मार्केट में जाना पड़ता है. इफ़ द कस्टमर वाज ए शॉर्ट टर्म इन्वेस्टर तो वो या लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर वो मार्केट में जाते हैं 10 जगह पे मेरे को प्रॉपर्टी अपनी बेचनी है. तो इट वाज ऑलवेज ए कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रोसीजर फॉर देम कि यार मैं मार्केट में जाऊंगा, मुझे क्या सही रेट मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, कन्फ्यूजन, हैसल कि अब मुझे पहले पेपर वर्क करना, बाकी चीज़ें जनरेट करनी. सो दैट वाज अ हैसल फॉर आवर कस्टमर्स.
बिल्कुल.
कई सारे कस्टमर्स आते हैं जो ये बोलते हैं यार आई वांट टू अपग्रेड, मैं 2 bedroom अपार्टमेंट लिया, आई वांट टू शिफ्ट टू 3 bedroom अपार्टमेंट, इज इट पॉसिबल? नॉर्मली दीज आर द क्वेरीज. यार मैंने एक कमर्शियल स्पेस ली बट आई विश आई वुड हैव बुक्ड अ रेजिडेंशियल स्पेस, और रेजिडेंशियल ले ली, आई विश आई वुड हैव बुक्ड अ कमर्शियल स्पेस.
क्योंकि रिक्वायरमेंट्स बदलती रहती हैं.
रिक्वायरमेंट्स बदलती रहती हैं. मैंने नोएडा में इन्वेस्ट किया, पता चला मेरा ट्रांसफ़र गुड़गांव हो गया, यार काश मैंने गुड़गांव में लिया होता. सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट M3M, वी आर वन ऑफ द लीडिंग डेवलपर्स. ठीक है, आज इंडिया में वी हैव a name,
Right.
and that name is earned. It was not based on anything else. It's a young company, 15 years of existence, but with more than 75 projects. ठीक है, and more than 55 projects delivered.
Right.
Location, if you see our presence, purely marked in the National Capital Region. Noida, Gurgaon, we started our journey with Gurgaon. Then we extended our arms to Noida, to Panipat. तो एक more than 1 lakh customers, 1,25,000 customer families हमारे साथ जुड़ गई. So they became part of M3M family. हम उनकी जर्नी और अच्छे से कैसे बना सकते हैं? How can we add value to all those customers is the purpose. Ultimately, we want to serve all our customers across globe, wherever our customers are based out of. We want to give them end-to-end solution to their real estate. How it worked, normally अगर आप दूसरे डेवलपर्स के पास जाते and you would prefer कि यार मेरे को ना शिफ्ट कर लो मेरी प्रॉपर्टी.
Right.
नॉर्मली क्या होता है, बिल्डर्स क्या करते हैं, नॉर्मली डेवलपर्स करते हैं कि जी कोई बात नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम, वी कैन शिफ्ट यू, बट येस there will be certain deductions. We have to move your fund from one place to other place. So there will be GST deductions, there would be brokerage deductions, जो normally होता है. Forget premium. मैंने एक साल पहले
ट्रांसफर कॉस्ट आल्सो
मैंने आपके साथ इन्वेस्ट किया, ठीक है, कहीं पे कोई उस पैसे की कोई इंटरेस्ट की कोई बात ही नहीं करता. करेक्ट. यहाँ हमने गेम बिल्कुल अलग कर दिया. वी वॉन्ट टू हैव long-term relationships with our customers. We want to maintain their portfolio.
Right.
When we have opportunities and bigger opportunities, better opportunities, why will they go anywhere else? When I can offer you, best of the product, best of the locations, best of the quality, why will you go anywhere else? कस्टमर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? दिस इज द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट. यू नीड योर वैल्यू फॉर मनी. सो व्हेन यू आर बीइंग प्रोवाइडेड ऑल दोज, व्हाई विल यू गो एनीवेयर एल्स? सो व्हेन बिग बिलियन 2 स्टार्टेड, वी टोल्ड आवर कस्टमर्स वी आर गोइंग टू बाय बैक योर प्रॉपर्टीज एंड वी विल बाय बैक दोज प्रॉपर्टीज एट अ प्रीमियम. मैं आपको प्रीमियम दे रहा हूँ, बेटर देन द रीसेल प्राइस दैट इज देयर इन द मार्केट. सो वी विल बाय बैक योर प्रॉपर्टी एंड वी विल अपग्रेड यू wherever you want within M3M globe. तो ये अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट हो गई बिग बिलियन 2 में. सो a concept that purely started with sales, only selling, changed to buying also. That is what we did in Big Billion 2. Trust me. More than 6,000 crore business was generated, but purely as a value proposition to the customers.
Right.
So this became more interesting. This started emerging as a bigger concept. When we reached Big Billion 3, we added more value to the entire scheme. Now, what was the value addition? First, we said we will sell. Then we said we will buy. And now we are saying we will lease also. Especially for our commercial customers. आज आप इतनी अट्रैक्टिव स्कीम दे रहे हो अपने कस्टमर्स के लिए, उनका एक पेन एरिया रहता है. यार आज तो हमारे को डेवलपर इज गिविंग ऑल काइंड ऑफ बेनिफिट्स, minimum guarantees, everything you are giving today. What will happen post-possession? What will happen once all my benefits are withdrawn? क्या मेरे को यही value proposition आगे भी मिलेगा? So, we started a new concept in Big Billion 3 that, boss, you were taken care of. M3M is taking care of your lease also. You don't have to go anywhere else. जो आपकी प्रॉपर्टी डिलीवर्ड प्रॉपर्टीज भी हैं, we will lease them. We are going to take that responsibility. You stay invested with us. That was the concept of Big Billion 1, Big Billion 2 and Big Billion 3. When I say now vertical 1, as I said, we will divide this into two halves. One would be for your new customers. You know M3M के साथ में कस्टमर्स का कंफर्ट क्या है. आपके जितने भी इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, जो कस्टमर्स हैं, सबसे पहले उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या होती है एक डेवलपर के साथ में. एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है? दे हैव पेड यू देयर हार्ड अर्न मनी.
बिल्कुल
करेक्ट. व्हाट डू दे वांट? दे वांट अ प्रोडक्ट जिसके लिए उन्होंने पैसा स्पेंड किया. सो टाइमली डिलीवरी दे वांट. They want quality of construction. They want innovation. That is the strength of buying an M3M property.
एक चीज मैं बताऊं
हमारा, yes.
ये तो हो गई बातें जो आपने करी, बट सब उससे भी इम्पोर्टेंट पता क्या है कि हमें एग्जिट मिल जाए. आई टेल यू वन थिंग, गुड़गांव के अंदर मानो या ना मानो, सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज आज गुड़गांव के अंदर यही है. इंटायर मैं गुड़गांव की बात कर रहा हूँ. बिल्डर्स के साथ आज क्यों थोड़ा सा मार्केट स्लो है, उसका रीजन ये मुझे लगता है कि एग्जिट नहीं कर पा रहे लोग. एंड एज एन M3M जैसे आपने बताया, क्योंकि हर साल मैं देख रहा हूँ, क्योंकि आई वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ बिग बिलियन 1 जब सिर्फ सेल की बात हो रही थी.
करेक्ट.
2 में बाय करा, 3 में लीज करा, अब 4th में मुझे लग रहा है कुछ ना कुछ तो वैल्यू ऐड करोगे. और एक एज अ कस्टमर, एज एन एंड यूजर या इन्वेस्टर या शॉर्ट टर्म अगर ट्रेडर की बात करते हो, उनको एग्जिट बहुत जरूरी है कि हमें एप्रिसिएशन में एग्जिट मिल जाए. एंड दैट इज आई थिंक व्हाट यू गाइस डू.
यू नो, सबसे पहला कंफर्ट कस्टमर का कहाँ होता है कि क्या उनका पैसा सेफली पार्क्ड है कि नहीं है.
एग्जैक्टली.
एंड इफ दे हैव पेड फॉर अ सर्विस, दे हैव पेड फॉर अ प्रोडक्ट, इज दैट प्रोडक्ट बीइंग डिलीवर्ड टू देम और नॉट? Is that being delivered in time or not? See, it's all return on your investment.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है. क्या ये उस क्वालिटी के हिसाब से डिलीवर हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है? आज मैं बोल दूँ कि यार आपने मेरे से 30,000 रुपये का प्रोडक्ट खरीदा. जब मैं इस प्रोडक्ट को डिलीवर करता हूँ, वी हैव आवर विजन इज whatever deliveries we are doing, innovation is part and parcel of M3M. आज आपने एक प्रॉपर्टी 30,000 पे खरीदी फॉर एग्जाम्पल,
Right.
पर स्क्वायर फुट. जब ये प्रॉपर्टी डिलीवर होगी 4 साल के बाद, उस टाइम आप मार्केट में क्लेम करोगे ये प्रॉपर्टी मेरी 50,000 रुपये की है. क्या ये 30,000 का प्रोडक्ट 4 साल के बाद उस 50,000 को जस्टिफाई करेगा कि नहीं करेगा?
बिल्कुल.
Me saying or quoting doesn't help, but is it selling at 50,000 rupees a square feet? So our innovation is that we make our buildings, we design our buildings, we deliver our product considering all these things. कि यार मेरी quality will justify 50,000 rupees a square feet. My design will justify that 50,000 rupees a square feet product. You have live examples. Trump Towers, when we launched Trump Towers 1, we sold at what rate? 14,000 rupees. 13,000-14,000 रुपये पे हमने वो बेचा.
Yes.
Today, that property is selling at 40,000 rupees. Resale is happening at 37, 38, which people are not doing. But your product is justifying that quality. justifying that price.
True.
That is the innovation I'm talking about. You know, it's excellence in real estate. When you buy a property with M3M, you are assured of certain things. One, that locations are going to be unparalleled. See, whatever schemes, whatever you plan, is all related to a product which customer wants to buy.
Definitely.
आज मैं एक प्रोडक्ट को जो मेरा टॉप एंड प्रोडक्ट है, हाउ कैन आई मेक इट सो ल्यूक्रेटिव एंड सो एक्सेसिबल टू पीपल दैट दे बाय दैट प्रोडक्ट. दैट इज व्हाई यू हैव स्कीम्स. ठीक. सो सबसे पहले जो सेटिस्फैक्शन होता है कस्टमर्स का इज व्हेन यू आर बाइंग ए M3M प्रॉपर्टी, यू आर बाइंग ए अनपैरेलल लोकेशन. All our projects have excellent location across M3M globe, wherever we have properties. You will find M3M having a property at the topmost location, prime most location. One. Second, जो हमारे pillars of our strength is timely delivery of the product. None of our properties are late, delivered late. Third, quality of our construction. And fourth, return on investment of our customers. तो सबसे पहले we have covered these 4 pillars. That is the reason why the growth of this company is unbelievable. It's a young company. 15 साल में more than 75 projects, more than 55 delivered, more than 1,25,000 customers across globe, and all happy and satisfied customers, repeated customers. That is our strength as M3M as a company. Now, how can we make it accessible and lucrative for others so that they also become part of M3M family? They also become part of these world-class developments. Innovation, as I said, अब आप देखो ना, हम luxury project से कहाँ move कर रहे हैं? We are a luxury developer. हम luxury से आज move कहाँ कर रहे हैं? We are changing, we are transforming the skylines not only of that area by virtue of delivering top-class buildings. We are transforming the skylines of the entire city. We are going more global. We are growing more branded. होता है ना,
Right.
एक समय होता है जब आदमी खाली पैसे के पीछे भागता है. आज वो पैसे की दौड़ नहीं है. Today, we are a name. And it's an earned name. आज हम perception change कर देते हैं by virtue of top class branded developments. Take example of Noida. Noida is a region. Was considered as a region, जैसे बाकी सारे regions हैं across India, across UP. Today it's no more a region. It's a global destination.
We never thought कि branded residences
Absolutely.
नोएडा के अंदर आएंगे.
Absolutely.
Look at the pricing.
And
आप लोगों ने
demand was
establish
there.
करा है.
Ankit, demand was there. Demand was there. लेकिन वो belief system नहीं था उस
नहीं
city
था,
का.
बिल्कुल सही सर.
That belief system was missing. M3M entering Noida market has created that belief system. People started believing कि यहाँ पे भी properties इस rate पे बिक सकती है, इतना appreciation properties में मिल सकता है, और इस तरीके के world class product deliver हो सकते हैं. हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब का क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है? मेक इन इंडिया.
Make in India.
वी आर मेकिंग इन इंडिया. दैट इज आवर विजन ऑल्सो.
True.
Our vision can't be different from our country's vision. ठीक है ना? We are making in India. We are bringing world-class brands to India.
I think you're the one who has taken the initiative कि branded residences आनी चाहिए.
Absolutely.
और NCR में बड़े-बड़े
Absolutely.
brands आ रहे हैं, बिक भी रहे हैं, acceptance है market में.
Absolutely. Acceptance is there because there is no problem in terms of demand was always there, but deliverables were missing.
Missing, yes. Especially Noida.
Especially Noida. Noida was thoda sentiment hurted market. But post M3M, we laid a very strong foundation with Cullinan. You know, it changed the perception of the entire market कि यार यहाँ पे भी ऐसी properties बिक सकती हैं, ऐसा product बिक सकता है इस तरीके का. Today you go to Cullinan site, you go to Line, just go and have a look how construction is done. And just close your eyes and see यार ये जब प्रोडक्ट आज से 1 साल 2 साल 2.5 साल के बाद निकल के आएगा, ये क्या स्केल पे निकल आ रहा है प्रोडक्ट. Just you will just imagine when you go to construction site, you just see what is happening there. You will see your dreams getting into reality.
That was missing in the
Correct.
market.
That is what we are doing, and that is our strength. It's no more कि यार we want to sell and we want to earn. It's no more that. It is name now. It is giving back. It's giving back. We want to make Noida as a global destination. And that destination will become that destination by transforming these skylines. Now you see top-end developers entering Noida market. Top-end developments happening.
Yes.
Opportunities were missing. You know, Gurgaon grew to this level because of opportunities that were provided, whether it was in form of the MNCs or airport or commuting. Gurgaon got those opportunities, and that's where Gurgaon is there right now. You know, they have arrived. Noida has just begun. Those opportunities have just arrived in Noida. And that is the reason why you see surge in the demands of high-end residential, high-end commercial, you know, these mixed land use developments. You will see that is going to be the future of Noida. We have recently launched Billionaire Corridor. You know, we call Noida, Greater Noida Express Highway as Billionaire Corridor, and that is what it deserves to be. And you will see it next 5 years, just in next 5 years, you will see this Noida, Greater Noida Express Highway becoming the most expensive real estate development in the National Capital Region.
Wow.
And you will see it happening because of the opportunities, because the way things are moving. Government is doing great job, you know, by giving that support to all the developers, all the infrastructure being created. You see how much commute has become easier, accessible, how many express highways are coming up, biggest airport being planned and in execution right now. Just imagine these 500 Fortune 500 companies entering Noida market. How much employment is going to get generated? Once employment is generated, how much demand is going to be there for your residential, for your commercial? This is where Noida is standing right now. You know, before you get into schemes, before you get into everything else, you need to know what is happening in the market. You need to know where are these opportunities coming up, and how can these schemes, these offers help me buy a property in such prime locations. This is going to become, you know, buying properties on your Noida, Greater Noida Express Highway is going to become a dream in times to come. You know, we have seen that happening in your markets, whether it was South Extension or it was Khan Market or it was Connaught Place or it is Vasant Vihar. All these places have grown in time.
Right.
You know, that time has arrived for Noida. You know, you must have seen our campaigns also. Noida, your time has arrived. And that is rightly so. The time has arrived for Noida. So we see a fantastic opportunities, great demands coming up in Noida market. Big Billion is a wonderful opportunity for our new customers. You know, they can be part and parcel, a part of family, you know, of M3M by availing such opportunities that we are offering.
How it will be beneficial for end user अगर perspective से बात करते हैं?
You have, as I said, commercial, residential, you have end users, you have you know, short-term investors, you have long-term investors, you have all other categories. You know, when you are buying a property at such prime locations, इतनी prime locations में जब आप घर खरीदते हो, if you are part of, say, Trump residences, or you are part of Jacob residencies, or you are part of Elisab, ठीक है? There cannot be a better brand, a better living, a better environment then what is being created in such developments? For end users, when you say end users, as I said, end user की मतलब expectation क्या होती है from a product? If I buy a home, my expectation that it should be comfortable, it should be luxurious, it should be what I have paid for. When you are buying such brands, when you are buying with a branded developer, you are assured of all these things. You know, you are being part and parcel of such beautiful developments. Your quality of life improves. So end user के लिए, when you talk about such schemes, it gives them an opportunity to buy these properties because your plans become so lucrative, your buying becomes so easy that you would definitely invest. Now let's talk about, say, Big Billion. What is happening in Big Billion for our new customers? People who are looking for opportunities, whether it is for residential or it is for commercial. Firstly, as I said, location can't be better than what we are offering.
Right.
The most prime locations, the best developer, promising, who has a proven track record of deliveries, correct? Who has a proven track record of luxury, who's delivering luxury today, and a big name. International brands being queued up to join hands with M3M. What else you require in terms of assurance? You know, a company which is totally debt-free today. How many such real estate developers have you seen which are totally debt-free? That is the confidence that, you know, we bring to our customers. When you are investing with M3M, you are assured of all these things. How we make it more easier for you when we get into schemes like Big Billion? Spread out payment plans. What is your investment today? Now, let's talk about Big Billion. What does Big Billion have to offer? Say for a residential development in Line and in Cullinan.
Let's start with buy prospective, right?
Yeah.
We'll come to sell and then lease.
I'm discussing buy prospective today, right now.
Okay.
If you're looking for a residential property and at the most prime location like Sector 94, we have Cullinan. I will talk about Cullinan first, and then I will get into the luxury segment of it. Although Cullinan is one of the most luxurious property there, then I will get into the branded.
Okay.
Now, when we say Cullinan, we started Noida journey with Cullinan, and it has transformed the way Noida market thinks real estate is. It has transformed the perception of people, you know, with a development like Cullinan.
Right.
A laid out payment plan, 2080. I'm talking about residential right now, and I'm talking about Cullinan. 2080 payment plan. You are paying 20% now. You are paying 60% on application of OC. And then you are paying balance amount on offer of possession. A product which is being developed by contractors like Shahpurji Palonji, like Capacite, one of the topmost in the country, you know, topmost designers associated with the product.
Right.
A clubhouse, just 374 families having a clubhouse of more than 1 lakh square feet. That's what luxury is. A property having a clubhouse of more than 1 lakh square feet with 100 plus amenities. That is what luxury is about. The way it is being constructed. Come and, you know, have a look at the construction, the way construction is happening there. That should boost your confidence. So when you are entering a product which gives you a laid out payment plan, you just need to put 20% now, and you see your product, you know, the baby in, you know, in make. You will see your product right in front of your eyes, how it is being made.
So let's start with the payment plan first. Then we'll talk about the projects which are falling into this Big Billion scheme.
Right.
So payment plan is 20% now and
20% now, 60% on application of OC, and balance amount will come on offer of possession.
The application of OC is after how many years?
It would be closer to around 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
The rest of the amount they have to pay at the time of possession.
Absolutely. Completely fundable. All banks are funding the property, so one can easily, you know, accesses to all the banks. so they can take loan also in case people are interested. But today's your stake is only 20%. And what best is there in that offer? If you're paying anything over and above 20%, I'm giving you a handsome discount of 20% on additional amount which you are paying today. That is the other master strokes. We call it as master strokes. So first master stroke would be a lucrative payment plan. Second would be, how is it a value proposition? So you are paying anything about 20%, say 20%. You are getting an additional discount of 20% on that additional 20%.
Whatever amount I'm paying.
You are
on
paying me
top of
20%.
20%, right?
Now, anything you pay me about 20%.
Right.
Say you are paying me 20%, about 20%.
More.
Yeah. So you get a 20% discount on that. Now, within this lucrative offer, the third master stroke you have is club membership and car parking is absolutely free right now.
Okay.
Yeah. And we are offering a big billion discount of 1,000 rupees on your basic selling rates today. And we are talking about one of the best projects in the country. One of the best projects in the country. So that is the kind of lucrative scheme you have right now.
So the first
is
master stroke
available.
is 20-80. You have to pay 20% now, 80%.
Then I give you additional discount of 20%
20%.
on 20.
Right. The third master stroke is club membership.
I'm giving
car parking
you
is free, of
club
course.
membership, car parking is free.
Right.
And I'm also giving you a couple of more benefits.
1,000
One-
inaugural discount.
Yes,
Right.
that is on your basic rates right now.
Okay.
Plus, under this offer, I'm offering you a free maintenance for 2 years. One, I'm offering you a free transfer also today. If somebody wants to exit, say for your, short-term investors. Although ऐसी property है नहीं जो आपको निकालनी चाहिए. It's a property which you should keep.
Right.
Your kids are going to remember you forever.
It's a landmark, basically.
Absolutely.
And you just have recently come up with the Trump Tower, right?
Absolutely.
It's-
I'm coming to branded. I will come to branded after I finish with an initial offer that is there. I have a lot more to offer you today. Okay? So
And you very well said कि Noida market was looking for these kind of opportunities.
Absolutely.
Where I don't want to name, but there are so many big developers who were planning, but वो चीज़ें execute नहीं हो पाई.
Correct.
और उस तरीके से नहीं पाई जो
Correct.
एक्चुअल में M3M करके दिखा रहा है.
Correct.
और यही एक तरीके से एक टर्न अराउंड था.
Correct.
एक मार्केट का नोएडा का जब से M3M आया. करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग.
absolutely.
तो प्राइसिंग भी यमुना एक्सप्रेस पे देखो आज 15,
Absolutely.
14, 30
Game
के
changers.
आसपास गेम
We are known as game changers.
एक सबसे बड़ा रीजन ये
Yeah.
है कि लोगों को कॉन्फिडेंस आया, ये समझ आया कि अब बन जाएगा यार. बनने के हिसाब से क्वालिटी भी आएगी और सारी चीजें उस हिसाब से होगी जो
Absolutely.
एज अ बायर सोच रहा था.
Absolutely.
ये तो हो गया सर मास्टर स्ट्रोक्स. इसके अलावा व्हाट एल्स वी आर ऑफरिंग.
Now-
मैं अभी बाय की बात कर रहा हूँ और बाय में रेजिडेंशियल की बात कर रहा हूँ.
अभी हम खाली सेल नए कस्टमर्स के बाई की बात कर रहे
Right.
हैं. Correct. Now, this was for Cullinan. Now you have your another branded residency which is part of your billionaire corridor. ठीक है. Starting with Trump Towers, followed with Jacob & Co, followed with Elisab.
Right.
So one after the other, topmost brands of world queuing up for the developments on Noida Greater Noida Expressway.
Right.
ठीक है. Now what do we have to offer over there? Firstly, all these names are statement in itself. आज आप कहीं वर्ल्ड के किसी भी कोने में हो, if you are anywhere in the world, you travel globally, anywhere in the world, you just need to say, where do you stay? I live in Trump Towers. I live in Jacob. These are world-class brands which were selling only internationally. All these brands have presence internationally. And people who were traveling, who travel well, who know these brands, they associate with such brands. They were missing such opportunities in India. थे नहीं हमारे पास. That is the beauty and that is the vision we have. That, boss, you are becoming a global destination. And all these brands are ready and queued to shake hands with M3M. There are more brands in line. More brands. अभी तो 3 से शुरुआत की है. There are many more brands lined up to become a part of this billionaire corridor. These were first three properties, the part of billionaire corridor.
अब जैसे लेट्स से इफ आई गो टू अब्रॉड राइट, और मैं वहाँ बोलता हूँ कि आई स्टे इन कमेलियास, मुझे नहीं लगता बहुत सारे लोग जानते होंगे कमेलियास
True.
के बारे में, राइट?
True.
बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट आई लिव इन जेकब, आई लिव इन एली, या आई लिव इन ट्रम्प,
True.
बिकॉज वो इंटरनेशनली बहुत बड़े ब्रांड
Acclaimed है. True.
एंड पीपल विल एक्चुअली गेट टू नो यस कि
That's what I'm saying, that when you are living in such places, it's a statement in itself. You know, living in Trump was only the best will make the cut. ये ऐसी properties हैं and availability is so low. So that is the payment plan we are offering for these 3 branded residencies.
Okay.
In addition to these, all the offers remain as it is, which is pay me more. You are paying me 25% more, or you are paying me 20% more. I'll give you 20% discount additional. I'm also giving you 1,000 rupees inaugural, which is a big billion benefit. Then same, I'm offering you a club membership and car parking free during the big billion period. Your maintenance is free, your transfer is free. There is a lock-in period of 1 year,
ओके,
but otherwise your transfer is absolutely free. So that is the benefit we are giving for the Lux category. We call it as Lux category.
राइट.
So that is the benefit for your this.
So other than payment plan, all the master strokes are same.
Are as applicable, yes.
Like in Cullinan, we are offering 2080.
Cullinan is extremely lucrative, 2080. Here you have 25/4, but it's quite spread out. 25% now, 25% in 15 months, 25% in on completion of structure, and or 40 months, whichever is later,
Right.
and 25% on application of OC. That is how it is spread out. Plus all other benefits, all other master strokes remain intact.
So we have three options: buy, sell and lease, right? Buy में हम लोगों ने residential cover कर दिया. Now we'll quickly talk about the commercial. तो buy अगर नया customer आ रहा है and he wants to buy commercial, तो क्या schemes हैं और क्यों buy करे commercial? सबसे ज़्यादा जो लोगों को डर रहता है कि exit हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा. That we need to talk about.
Exit से ज़्यादा important क्या है अंकित? I will tell you. आपके पास commercial opportunities है कहाँ नोएडा में? Where? Today,
मुझे
leaving apart
DLF
very few, yes. Where else do you go with your family if you have to go for outing in commercial? Where do you have a branded development of commercial available in Noida? Other than Sector 18, and that too is with mediocre brands. There is no branded commercial development at the moment, at present, available in Noida.
उसके लिए तो सर
That is
उसके लिए Emporio जाना पड़ता है, I guess.
100%.
If you want to buy a branded range.
Absolutely. So there is a requirement. Market की requirement है आज commercial की. That is what the branded commercial projects of M3M will do. There is an excellent opportunity right now available for the entire market to own a piece of commercial in Noida.
Okay.
And this is the best time to buy that commercial property. Commercial property खरीदने का purpose क्या है? Is return on your investment, which offers you a good healthy rental, 5-6% अच्छा rental मिल जाता है normally, plus capital appreciation for your property. So return on investment is the only purpose that any commercial customer is looking forward to. There cannot be better locations than this. जो commercial M3M and Smart World लेके आ रहा है, they are going to become destinations in time to come. It's not a local shopping area. They are destinations where people will come from across National Capital Region. So that is what we are doing.
So do you think these branded retails will dominate the market?
100%, because there is a demand.
Okay.
There is a demand. आज आपके पास residential, You are selling at 35-40,000 rupees a square feet.
Right.
So customer has the potential. You are getting all those potential customers who are used to all these brands. Why will you not do excellent when you have a market, when you have a demand? Why will you not have a product? So that is the biggest opportunity this market is going to offer.
Okay.
So your commercial, and commercial brings you stability. पूरा प्रोजेक्ट लोकेशन जो होती है ना, डिमांड्स बढ़ती हैं because of commercial developments in those areas. Your social infrastructure gets into place. So there is need of that kind of infrastructure for Noida. So you need such commercial projects. And the locations which M3M is offering are unmatched, unparalleled. We are making it extremely lucrative for all our commercial customers. First, let me speak about Line and Cullinan. Top class locations, one in central Noida, second is the first plot on the Noida Greater Noida Expressway on your right. That is where your Trump development is. That is where your Cullinan is. So you have a branded development there on the express highway, which is your Cullinan.
Right.
Now, lucrative offers which are available would be, first of all, payment plan, a lucrative payment plan, 20/80 payment plan. I will tell you the layout of this 20/80, which will make it more attractive. 20% you are paying now,
Right.
40% you are paying on application of OC. So you have paid me 60% in total. 40% you are paying me post possession 1 year.
So 40% I'm paying.
Post possession 1 year.
So once you'll hand over
Correct.
the shop to me.
Correct.
Then after that I have to pay.
Yeah. So this
How
is
is it possible?
this is just first thing that you have heard. I'm making it so attractive.
I never heard.
I'm making it so attractive. कि आज मैं आपसे एक चेक लेके जाऊंगा यहाँ से, and you will pay. I am telling you. Number one, this is my first master stroke. Commercial, as I said, purpose is that your return on investment should start from day one. That's how commercial customer thinks. तो आज आपने 20% दे दिया. I will give you excellent returns on this also.
Okay.
Today, you are paying me 20%. Banks would, how much, if you keep this money in a deposit, at the most 7% they will give you. Mutual funds, if they do wonderfully well, subject to market risk, they will offer you 11 to 12% returns. You have given me 20%. I'll give you much more attractive offer on this. So I will give you 15% return on this. Good benefit, rather. Third, post possession. I'm offering you nearly 7% rentals.
Okay.
That is your third benefit. Fourth benefit, you pay anything additional, which is say 20%, pay 20%. I am offering you 20% discount on that. Have you?
So the payment plan has been changed. Other than this, all the master strokes are
20/80 payment plan. Master strokes are better. I am offering you 15% pre-possession returns. I am offering you 7% post-possession returns.
right.
I am offering you first transfer free.
Right.
I am offering you maintenance free, and I am offering you 20% discount on any additional payment other than your initial 20%.
Got it.
So all your master strokes will take care of your investment.
So we have covered in buy, residential and commercial both, including the payment plan and everything.
And you know what is another killer stroke in this? Normally, your minimum guarantees, your rental starts after you pay me 100%.
Yeah.
Correct? Then only,
Obviously,
then
once I'll
only
get
you
the
are
100%
eligible.
payment, then
then
only-
only you are eligible.
Right.
Once you have paid me 60% and my possession charges, you are entitled for 100% rentals. I am not going to wait for post position 1 year.
After 60%.
After 60%,
Complete.
you are getting 100% post position rentals which are committed by me.
Okay.
So that is the killer stroke. So we have made it extremely, extremely lucrative in here.
So quickly, we'll talk about this कि इस कमर्शियल के अंदर जो आपने बताया पेमेंट प्लान है कौन कौन से ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जो फॉल करते हैं. सो ये जो स्कीम है
Cullinan and Line.
कलिन लाइन एंड व्हाट अबाउट
Only one slight change. That is the payment plan in our other developments, which is your Jewel Crest and which is your La Courtyard. In these two projects,
Okay.
you have a laid out payment plan, which is 25% now,
राइट
25% in 1 year, 40% on application of OC, and balance on offer of possession.
एंड द
That
रिटर्न
is-
विल स्टार्ट
Return will start, everything else remains same. If you're booking under assured return scheme, then all other master strokes remain as it is. 20% additional on 20%, what you are paying me.
राइट
There is a pre-position return and post-position return. First transfer free and maintenance free.
सो ऑल द
That
रेस्ट
is-
ऑल द मास्टर स्ट्रोक्स विल
Everything else remains same
Just a
other
payment
than the payment plan deviation. That's
Right. Now we'll jump to sale, right?
Yes.
If I want to sell my property, so what benefit as a M3M Smart World is giving me? Let's say if I have a property of, 2 CR in residential, and I have a property of 2 CR in commercial. So in how many X I have to multiply investment कितनी करनी पड़ेगी और क्या चीज़ होगी?
I'll tell you. We have the buyback is purely for M3M properties across M3M globe.
Right.
If you are shifting from a residential property to a residential property, if you're upgrading from residential to residential,
Okay.
you have to shift at 1.5x. If we are offering a lucrative premium on all our properties,
Okay.
which are better than your resale. So we are offering you a lucrative buyback. On that buyback, we are giving you an opportunity to upgrade, which is if you have booked a property, buyback price plus 1.5x
Okay.
would be the cost of your new property. If you're doing residential to residential, Noida से गुड़गांव, गुड़गांव से नोएडा, commercial to commercial, residential to commercial, all remains at 1.5x. If you are shifting from commercial
To residential.
to residential, then it is 2.5x
Okay.
of the buyback rate. जिस प्राइस पे मैं आपको आपकी प्रॉपर्टी खरीद रहा हूं उसका दिस इज द रेशियो.
So let's say if I've bought a property 1 year back, 1 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी खरीदी थी और अभी मुझे रिमेनिंग अमाउंट देना है और वो 2 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी आज मार्केट वैल्यू है 2.5 करोड़ लेट्स से, तो आप 2.5 करोड़ ही कंसीडर करोगे?
आज फॉर एग्जांपल आपने 1 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी बुक करी थी मेरे से और उस पे पेमेंट प्लान दिया था 50-50 का.
राइट.
करेक्ट. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कमर्शियल से फॉर एग्जांपल टुडे. आज इस प्रॉपर्टी पे मैंने बायबैक रेट लगाया 1 करोड़ 10 लाख रुपए या 1 करोड़ 20 लाख रुपए. ठीक है. तो इस 1 करोड़ 20 लाख का 1.5x यू हैव टू बाय टुडे. जो आपकी नई प्रॉपर्टी होगी वो 1.5x की होगी. उस 1.5x का पे आज आप मेरे से नई प्रॉपर्टी ले रहे हो.
Right.
जो आपने मुझे पेमेंट दी है उस पेमेंट को मैं आई एम शिफ्टिंग टू ए न्यू प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक है. जितना पैसा आपने मुझे 50% का दिया था आई एम शिफ्टिंग यू टू ए न्यू प्रॉपर्टी. एंड जो आपका प्रीमियम मैंने दिया है, मान लीजिए मैंने आपको 20 लाख रुपए का प्रीमियम दिया है, मैं आपका एक पर्टिकुलर पेमेंट प्लान पे वो पैसा शिफ्ट कर दूंगा. से इन केस ऑफ कमर्शियल इट इज 50-50 का पेमेंट प्लान फॉर अ बायबैक. इन केस ऑफ रेजिडेंशियल इट इज 40-30-30.
Okay.
तो इस रेशियो में मैं आपका प्रीमियम वहां पे शिफ्ट कर दूंगा.
राइट.
दैट इज हाउ इट वर्क्स.
दैट्स इज फॉर सेल. अब इसमें बहुत सारी प्रॉपर्टीज फॉल कर सकती है. वी विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट इट.
अक्रॉस ग्लोब हमारे M3M ग्लोब में रेजिडेंशियल कमर्शियल दोनों प्रोजेक्ट्स,
So
दोनों
Gurgaon to
कैटेगरीज,
Noida, Noida to
गुड़गांव टू
Panipat,
नोएडा,
Panipat to anywhere.
एब्सोल्युटली across M3M globe, wherever you have booked a property has a buyback वी हैव लिस्ट ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज विच वी विल शेयर विद यू, जहां हमने बायबैक रेट्स पूरे डिफाइन किए हैं, एंड यू कैन अवेल एनी न्यू प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ M3M विद ऑल दीज करंट बेनिफिट्स. जो आप अपग्रेड करना चाहते हैं, विद ऑल दीज बेनिफिट्स यू कैन.
सो लीजिंग के बारे में बात करने से पहले मुझे एक सेल के बारे में एक जो बात करनी है वो ये है कि क्या ट्रांसफ़र जब कर रहा हूँ तो उसमें ट्रांसफ़र चार्जेस लगाओगे, या कोई, देखो ये कहीं ना कहीं कैच तो होगा कि आप ब्रोकरेज काट रहे होगे या GST काट रहे होगे.
Excellent
तो कुछ तो कैच होगा सर.
Excellent question. Now let me catch all the catches. Number one, जो भी आपने GST पे किया, we are bearing the hit of GST. आप पे कोई GST का इम्पैक्ट नहीं आएगा.
ओके.
वन, कोई भी ब्रोकरेज हमने प्रीवियस प्रॉपर्टी पे पे करी होगी, आप पे कोई भी इम्पैक्ट नहीं है. कंपनी इज बेयरिंग दैट.
राइट.
कोई भी रिटर्न्स या कोई भी आपने पहले जो लिए थे, जो बेनिफिट्स लिए थे,
राइट.
none of those benefits will get deducted.
ओके.
That is the
क्या बात.
beauty of
So,
your scheme.
कुछ भी डिडक्शन नहीं है.
कुछ भी deduction
ऑन टॉप ऑफ
आपका-
इट यू आर गिविंग द मार्केट वैल्यू प्राइस
Absolutely.
बायबैक में.
We have a buyback rate which we have set, which is better than what your resale market is offering, and you will get all these benefits.
ठीक है. वंडरफुल. अब बात करते हैं लीजिंग की. सर, गुड़गांव हो गया, नोएडा में तो आई थिंक आप कर ही रहे हो. गुड़गांव में कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज हैं जो लोगों ने सेल्फ यूज पर्पस से ली थी या उस पर लीजिंग नहीं हुई है, लेट्स से. तो आज क्या बेनिफिट है कि जिसने कमर्शियल आपसे 1 साल 2 साल 3 साल पहले बाय किया था, उसको क्या बेनिफिट आज मिल सकता है अगर वो इस इवेंट में.
आपको जो हमारा थर्ड वर्टिकल था विच वॉज लीज, आपको कुछ नहीं करना. आपको हमारे सेल फेस्ट में आना है, आपके बिग बिलियन फेस्ट में आना है. आपने अपनी प्रॉपर्टी की डिटेल्स हमें शेयर करनी है.
राइट.
M3M will lease the property. Your problem is resolved. We will lease the property. हम आपसे जो पुरानी प्रॉपर्टी आपकी है उसका डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द लोकेशन we will set a lease with you. We will bear the lease. There will be terms and conditions that will apply. वो you have to book a new property with me at 1.75x. जो आपने पहले प्रॉपर्टी मेरे से ली थी,
1 करोड़ की ले लेते.
आपने 1 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी ली थी, आपने 1 करोड़ का 1.75x मेरे से एक नई प्रॉपर्टी आपने आज लेनी है. पुरानी प्रॉपर्टी का लीज मैं दूंगा.
अच्छा, पुरानी का भी दोगे?
पुरानी
नई
प्रॉपर्टी का लीज
नई
मैं
वाली-
दूंगा. एक नई इन्वेस्टमेंट, एज आई सेड, यू हैव टू बाय अ न्यू प्रॉपर्टी विद मी. आई विल, विच वुड बी एट 1.75x with all the benefits. That property will be given to you. और पुराना आपका कहीं पे कोई भी पेन एरिया मैं लेने को रेडी हूँ ना. आई हैव टेकन दैट पेन.
अच्छा, पुराने का दे दिया है और नए का जो है वो लीजिंग
Absolutely.
स्टार्ट हो जाएगी.
एब्सोल्युटली. एक तो वो.
Wonderful.
दूसरा, यहाँ पे हमने बेस्ट क्या किया लीजिंग के पर्सपेक्टिव से, स्पेशली इन नोएडा, ऑल लीज राइट्स आर विद द कंपनी. तो यहाँ आपको लीज का तो वैसे ही टेंशन नहीं है. व्हेन गुड़गांव वाज सोल्ड इनिशियली, हमारे पास लीज राइट्स नहीं थे काफ़ी प्रॉपर्टीज़ में.
I know.
तो जिसकी वजह से कहीं ना कहीं मतलब सबका अपना कंफर्ट होता है, कोई कस्टमर्स का कंफर्ट नहीं होता है किसी ब्रांड के साथ में. तो दैट बिकम्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. सो वो डिफ़िकल्टी भी हमने दूर कर दी. नंबर वन, नोएडा में डे वन से ऑल लीज राइट्स आर विद मी. सो यू आर बाइंग ए कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टी, प्लीज़ बी टेंशन फ्री. आपका लीजिंग से कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है. मैं लीज डे वन से, मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है शॉप को रेंट पे चढ़ाना और आपको उसका रेंटल क्रिएट करना. सो आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ
So this is very important, I think, कि पुरानी जो मिस्टेक्स हैं, पुरानी चीज़ें हैं, ठीक है, लीजिंग नहीं थी उस टाइम पे,
Lease rights नहीं थे, correct.
बट एज अ डेवलपर अगर आप, ठीक है, मार्केट सेंटिमेंट्स है, अगर आप आज खड़े हो तो मुझे लगता है इंटेंशन यही है कि यार कस्टमर की जो
100%,
प्रॉपर्टी मुझसे खरीदी है,
100%.
मेरे ट्रस्ट पे खरीदी थी, वो चीज़ लीज पे होनी चाहिए.
100%. मतलब वी आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ आवर कस्टमर्स, दैट इज़ द इंटेंट. हम कस्टमर्स को कहीं जाने नहीं देना चाहते. एक रिलेशनशिप हमने अपने कस्टमर्स के साथ इस्टेब्लिश की है.
राइट.
जो उनके रियल एस्टेट की नीड है, उनकी डिमांड्स हैं, उनके ग्रीवेंसेस होंगे, वी वांट टू टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल दैट. वी डोंट, हमारे सिस्टम बिल्कुल स्ट्रिक्ट है. कस्टमर कंप्लेंट की कोई टॉलरेंस नहीं है पूरे सिस्टम में. हम कस्टमर को भगवान मान के चलते हैं, ठीक है. दैट इज़ अवर, जो हमारा बिल्कुल जो वैल्यूज़ हमें दिए गए हैं M3M में, वी अबाइड बाय दैट. वी टेक केयर ऑफ आवर कस्टमर्स to the best possible extent that we can.
So I hope we have given the clarity कि बिग बिलियन क्या है, इतना नाम जो मार्केट में
I think we have not spoken only about Big Billion, but we have spoken overall
About
on
the
the
brand
opportunity
also,
कि
about
क्या
it.
opportunities हैं. Offers, schemes come later, but first of all, what is important is that don't lose the opportunity of buying the product.
And I think there are so many things in a platter कि we cannot even think of explaining now. वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी, but मोटा मोटा क्या क्या चीज़ें आ रही, what are the benefits, commercial, residentials, buying,
Right.
sell and lease. ये
100%.
चीज़ें इसके, क्योंकि आज
100%.
So
It's bigger,
and
it's better, and it's bold.
बोल्ड ऑल्सो.
ठीक
क्योंकि
है.
3-4 दिन से ना मेरे साथ
100%.
एक्सपीरियंस याद है, हम फोन पे बात कर रहे
100%.
थे कि कहीं भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ बिग बिलियन आ रहा है, एंड यू आर क्रेजी सर, प्रमोशंस चल रही है इसकी, and
100%.
मुझे लगता है कि
It's a
काफी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है.
ये जो इवेंट है हैज़ इवॉल्व प्योरली बिकॉज ऑफ कस्टमर डिमांड्स.
ट्रू.
जो हमने पहले बिग बिलियन में सर्च देखी, डिमांड देखी, अंडरस्टूड किया कि कस्टमर की नीड क्या है, वो हमने बिग बिलियन 2 में इंक्लूड कर दिया. जो बिग बिलियन 2 से निकल के आया, हमने बिग बिलियन 3 में इंक्लूड किया. अब जो इवॉल्व होगा वो आने वाले समय में,
Billion
आने वाले
4
बिग
भी आ
बिलियन में
सकता है.
कवर करेंगे. सो वी आर देयर फॉर कस्टमर्स.
So
That
thank you
is
so much for
my pleasure.
explaining this
My pleasure,
big
Ankit.
billion property show. और एक चीज़ और सर,
Yes.
before we end this video, कब हो रहा है ये तो बता दो. नोएडा में कब हो रहा है और गुड़गांव में कब हो रहा है?
All right. This event is taking place. You will witness the event happening on 21st and 22nd
In Noida itself.
in Noida
Okay.
itself. And the same event will take place in Gurgaon on 27, 28 and 1st. So you will see, you will witness this mega event, a festival
Definitely.
happening in both these prime locations where you have sales happening everywhere, existing customers enjoying, reaping benefits, lot of gifts to be given
Okay.
to our customers. So you will see all that happening. It's going to be a mela. That's
ये
what.
होने वाला है सर. You will
Yeah,
create
बिल्कुल. ये बिल्कुल
history.
ये उत्सवों में महाउत्सव है. ठीक है. And we are very excited. And I'm sure all our customer registrations have already started.
Okay.
And believe me, with God's grace, we are getting excellent response. I'm sure Noida would have never witnessed such an event before. 100%.
Thank you so much once again.
My pleasure.
सो गाइस, ये है बिग बिलियन प्रॉपर्टी शो. अगर आप कोई भी क्वेरी, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके पास एग्जिस्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी है या आप बाय करना चाहते हैं या आपके पास कोई दुकान है M3M या स्मार्ट वर्ल्ड में, अगर वो लीज पे नहीं हुई, तो ये तीनों चीज़ों में अगर आप फॉल करते हो तो आप नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे आप अपनी क्वेरी, केस स्टडी डाल सकते हैं. बाय करना है, उसके बारे में जानना है, मेरी टीम अवेलेबल है, ऑन कॉल सारी चीज़ समझा देगी. अगर आप 1-to-1 मीटिंग करना चाहते हैं, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम, या हमारी टीम आपके आके समझा सकती है. आप सेल करना चाहते हैं, कितने एक्स पे कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी ले सकते हैं, क्या वैल्यू है, आपकी पुरानी वाली प्रॉपर्टी का क्या अप्रिसिएशन है, सारी चीज़ें आपको मिल जाएंगी, डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगी. उसके लिए कुछ नहीं करना आपको, व्हाट्सएप पे आप सिर्फ, मैं जो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स पे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक शेयर कर रहा हूँ, उस पर आप जाके कर सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग सर.
My pleasure. Thank you so much.